So nice to see everyone. If you guys are here, definitely you can say hello to me if you are here, so I know that you guys are here, guys. Okay, for now I'm sure that the market has been quite slow, and I know that some of you has been late, but I've already given out certain recommendations in certain ranges, and we are entering the trade near 2597. So right now we are in a small floating profit around $1. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it and let the trade run on its own, as I always say to you guys. Okay, let us see how the market reacts afterwards. Okay, alright, so let us see what's next on the market. Definitely Bitcoin market has been quite good for us to trade over the last few days, and we have been making a lot of profits coming out of the crypto market. Definitely I think you guys could check out what we have been sharing on the crypto market. A lot of things has happened, and definitely you guys shouldn't be missing out on the trades that we have shared multiple times. Especially Bitcoin US stock market has been doing very well, so I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. So for now, I will be moving on towards the next signal on the US stock market, and probably let us try to discuss what has been happening on the Bitcoin market, because Bitcoin market has been moving quite much, and let us get some reviews afterwards. Okay, so what has been happening since last night? So last night I did share these recommendations on the Bitcoin side, and it seems that Bitcoin market has started to slow down, guys. Okay, Bitcoin market slowed down, but no worries, we are already in a floating profit, which I'm not really concerned about the market. But for now, the most important thing, how do we get out of the positions if you guys are already entering at the trades, and what can we do out of the trades, guys? Okay, so if you guys could see that right now we are already in a floating profit, entering around 76,000, and right now we are already up towards 87,000. So we are currently already in a floating profit around $11,000, guys. Okay, so congrats, especially if you guys are following from so especially if you guys have been following us for quite some time. I even shared another signal last night, and it seems that we also hit our profit target around second signal. We earned around $6,000, so congrats, guys. Okay, we have made big bucks on the trades on just one single night. So Bitcoin is still breaking all-time highs. I know that the market has started to slow down on the Bitcoin side, and it is likely we have started to see some consolidations after Bitcoin prices are moving up too fast from my view, guys. And tonight's market movement should be a healthy corrections. Nothing much to worry about, especially after going up too fast, too quick, and this is a very normal market reactions I'm expecting out of cryptocurrencies, because a healthy correction is never a bad thing, and it could sustain this momentum pretty longer than you guys could have been thinking of. So with that, I'm much happier right now, and my recommendations definitely, if you guys are entering at the second signal, you could be holding on the trades. So press target 4, hold, so hold, and let me readjust the stop losses around 85,000 should be doing well. So you guys could have been securing your stop losses at those price actions, and we are currently already in a second floating profit at $6,000 plus on the Bitcoin trade, guys. Okay, so well done. So as you guys could see that the market has been quite bullish, and my recommendations, if you guys have been following our signals for quite some times, our recommendations is hold, readjust the stop losses as usual, guys. If you guys are holding quite long, I've already been recommending that you guys could adjust your stop loss every time the market has started to move, guys. Okay, and I've been doing that for quite some times, and I think that you guys should have been doing the same thing as well. Okay. Maybe right now could be a good time to review your strategies on both of the cryptocurrency side, and maybe you guys could be thinking taking some entry positions, because right now it could be offering us some good entry positions as well from what I'm currently seeing on my charts. So I'm pretty confident this could be a long trade, as I've seen guys on the market. So let us see how it works. I'm still pretty much confident on the trades. Definitely I suggest that you guys don't miss out on it, because it seems that it is ripe for another big move on a lot of the markets right here, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing right now. All right. So what's next on the market? So Bitcoin market has been quite positive. That is the case for us definitely, guys, and I'm thinking that you guys should be also doing that, because the market has been quite well. And certainly I won't be advising that you guys should start to think about shorting Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is still in a fantastic uptrend, and definitely the best way is to ride the trend, not trade against the trend, guys. Definitely I'll be suggesting that you guys take a closer look and maybe start initiating some buy positions at the current prices. After going through that big drop down, I'm expecting that it could be going higher next on the market. Okay, and that's what I'm seeing on the market right now. For tonight, maybe I won't be recommending a trade for now, because market movement has been quite volatile, and maybe it won't be a good time, so I will be waiting for some consolidations. But if you guys want to enter the trade right now, I'll be advising some cautious, because it could be a bit risky, because we are still consolidating. So I will be suggesting a bit of cautious if you guys want to re-enter the trade, because this shakeout is pretty healthy on the crypto market. So maybe the best case scenario for us to do, put a bit of cautious. Okay, that could be the next best scenario we could have been doing. All right, so let us see what happens next. Okay, Bitcoin market has been moving quite well, and maybe we can try to re-enter the trades around here, guys. Try to find some positions, try to see how the action works, and probably we can re-enter around 85 towards 86,000. That could be a good case for us to trade on those side of the trade, guys. Okay, so I'll be waiting for much more confirmations before looking how the market works. But definitely we have been doing quite well. We have even entered twice, and our floating profit is almost around $18,000 on this Bitcoin trade. So I'll be happy to let it run on its own. I've been readjusting the stop losses, so whenever we hit the stop losses, we still get the profits as well, guys. Okay, that's what I'm saying, and that's what I'm advocating, that you guys should do the same thing. But if you guys couldn't do the same thing, you guys could definitely take profit at the third profit target from each of the signals that we have been sharing with you guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals like this, Bitcoin market, gold market, and a lot of trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, check on our bio, click on that link, so you guys could join our free trading signals channel, and it won't cost you anything, and you'll be getting a lot of rewards on to joining our channel, guys. Okay, So I highly suggested that you guys could do that. And maybe for now, let us try to sit back, try to see how the Bitcoin market works, and we'll be entering later on the market if there's some good signs, but right now I'm not seeing it, so I'll be a bit cautious on that side and try to see how the market works eventually, because I'm happy to wait for the confirmations than rushing and entering the trades without getting the confirmations that I'm happy to see on the market. Alright, so let us focus back on the gold charts, where I've been sharing our first signals for tonight. So yesterday we have already made quite a big profit, last time around 700 pips. It's been quite a good trade as well, so I have nothing much to worry about as well. But we'll see how the market works. Definitely we have already entering our trades at 2,597, and we put our stop losses at a bit higher prices, but if anything changes on the market, I'll be readjusting the stop losses and letting you guys know whenever we hit our stop losses. So don't worry, I'll be keeping you notified as long as you follow our live streaming sessions, because I'll be following this closely as well, because I have some responsibility sharing this signal with you, and I'll make sure that you guys could get benefits out of it as well. Okay, so what's next on the market? So it seems that it started to go up. Let us see, guys. Okay, let us see. Maybe this could be a start of a small reversal nearing the inflation rate decisions. Okay, so we'll see, but definitely I'm still holding on the sell positions. That's one thing I'm sure of, and we'll be catching the actions on this side of the trade, guys, so don't worry about it. So what's next on the market? Maybe you can try to take a look on the US dollar index, guys, because I believe there has been something changing on those side of the market. So as you guys could see, last night I already predicted the possible scenario coming up from the US dollar index, and I'm actually seeing the chances that US dollar index could be reaching around 107, because after the new president from the United States has been certain to win the election, it seems that US dollar has been quite strong, and gold has been suffering weaknesses along the trades. Why? Because there will be a lot of economic activity on the US, and that could strengthen the strength of the US dollar. And right now we are seeing that it has already been reflected on the US trade. As you guys could see, US dollar index has been jumping higher and higher across the night, day. And even though we see that tonight's trade has started to slow down, but it has been showing. It has been able to break out of the 105.8 resistance area, and we are likely to see that happening higher and higher. So I'm looking at chances that this could be a worrying sign on most of the currency trades. So if you guys do trade on GBP USD, you guys should be in the right positions, not try to buy, but rather selling it, because a lot of opportunities right now are coming from selling against the other currency pair, with the stronger pair coming up from the US dollar, guys. Okay, So with that, it seems that US dollar index has been started to weakening, and we have started to see some resistance coming out from the gold side, from the silver side, and that could be a worrying sign. Why is that the case? Because a weaker dollar could really help to push up the gold prices, push up silver prices, and even pushing up Bitcoin prices. Because over the last few hours, we are seeing the strength coming out from the US dollar index, and that has been able to suppress the prices out of gold, risky assets such as Bitcoin, gold, silver across the world. And if you guys are trading on the currency side, definitely I'm seeing the weaknesses appearing on GBP USD, Euro USD, Australian dollar USD, New Zealand dollar USD. So it has been really affected a lot of the other trading pairs, and we are likely to see that happening on the market as well, guys. Okay, so let us see how the other trading pair has been working. So as you guys could see, we started to see some rebound on the gold side of the trade because of that. And let us see how the market works. Definitely, it could be just a temporary market movement. US dollar index could be continue going higher and higher. So we'll see. Definitely, everything is still on track, and we even reduce our stop losses as well. So if you guys have been following us, you guys could have been trying to be much more confident, see how the trade works, because definitely the trend is going lower. It has been clear. A reversal has been happening on the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and I couldn't have been more sure that this could be going lower in the long run. Maybe you could face some setbacks on the short term, but on the long term, I'm seeing good chances that gold has started to slow down on its uptrend momentum, and we are likely to see some reversal on the long run. Now, what can we do on this side of the chart? So silver chart has been also doing and behaving in a similar fashion to gold price market movement. So we are likely to see silver market movement started to slow down, and we are likely to able to profit out of this kind of trades because we have already seen what it has been doing on this chart of the side, and we are likely to see silver prices also breaking down lower together with gold. So what can we do? Definitely a sell positions could benefit us a lot, and this could be a good time for us to do the trade because we are started to see some good signs coming out of the market, showing some weaknesses, signs of weaknesses also appearing in the market. So I'll be happy to start doing some sell positions as well on the silver side of the trade together along with gold, because it has been quite a good trade for us on the gold side, because last night we do sell, and tonight we also do sell. Probably we could be seeing just some good chances in the market as well, guys. Okay, so that's why I will be recommending a sell signal together with you guys on tonight's silver market movement, because last night we have already been able to trade and make a profit of. Yesterday we profit not just 15 pips, guys, so we do profited at least at the lowest price. We have already profited at least 50 pips, which is a lot of profits in terms of gold. We'll see how the market works for tonight, but definitely I'm a bit optimistic, and we could still make a trade out of our tonight's trade. That is certainly the case. We can be optimistic, but we always need to set up our signal as well, guys. Okay, but let us wait and see. Since we already started to put the positions on the gold side, maybe we could be getting some false breakout. So maybe we'll try to wait out and see how the gold market works before we even considering to trade on the silver chart, guys. Okay, we'll see. And for now, maybe we can start to put some buy positions back on the cryptocurrency side, because I'm seeing some cryptocurrency movement has been quite convincing for us on the last few charts. I'm seeing good chances for a rebound, and I'm happy to see all of this market movement across the time. So I'll be happy and put some buy positions on Bitcoin for now, guys. Okay, so let's open up Bitcoin charts and see how the market movement has been doing. Certainly, I'm seeing good chances that this market movement could last for quite some time, guys. Okay. So let us try to initiate a buy position on Bitcoin charts. I would say it's a bit risky as well, same as last night. Okay, so this will be our signal for tonight. And if you guys are interested to get this kind of profits together with us on our trading site, definitely one of the things that you could have done is you could follow our trades here on our live streaming sessions. But if you guys has missed out on our live streaming sessions and our signals, definitely one of the things that you could have done is you could check out our home profile, click on our bio, and join our free trading signals, guys, because from our channel we are sharing multiple signals and you guys could be profiting a lot out of our free trading channel as well, guys. Okay, so definitely the things that you could have done, check our home profile, click on that link so you guys could be making money out of the trades, guys. Okay, so for now I've been sharing tonight's signals on the Bitcoin currency market, and we are entering the trades near 87,700. So it seems that our trade has been going well, and we'll see how the market works. We have already put the necessary stop losses. So in case that you guys are worried that, okay, it seems that the market movement is quite big and I'm not sure how the market is going to work, no worries. You could set your stop losses, put your trades, and definitely you put your stop losses a bit lower so that you guys don't get hit easily by the market movement. Okay, so definitely that's one of the things I would be suggesting that you guys could be doing. And alright, so let us check some of the comments that you guys have been telling me. Token, what coins I'm holding? Okay, I'll be letting you guys know in a moment. Let me see any other comments. Hi to you as well, Peter. Nice to see you, Peter. And thank you very much for your gifts and your comments, guys, and your likes. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. And I hope that you guys do enjoy our content, because we are not only just discussing on cryptocurrencies, but we are mainly discussing on various assets such as gold, silver, and even US stock market. So we'll be talking about those market as well. So make sure that you guys stay tuned and listen to what we are sharing our analysis with you guys together. Okay, so for now, tonight we have already been entering the trades on here, and we are likely to see this market movement to be continuing, and we'll see how it goes, guys. Okay, certainly I've been quite positive and optimistic that this could be running on its own, and I've not much to worry about as well, guys. Okay, so I'll be running the trade with the trading signals and the trading plan that I've been setting up with you guys, so that if you guys want to get more trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our profile, click on that link, and join our free trading signals, and for free, guys. Okay, So thank you very much for your likes, your support, for your gifts especially. Thank you everyone. I hope that you guys could make a profit out of trading signals live together with us. And answering Bulbasaur's question, what token I'm holding. Okay, so let me expose some of my holdings on the crypto world. So I do hold Bitcoin, definitely that's one. Ethereum, I'm also holding Ethereum. But definitely in this market bull, you guys should have been paying attention towards Dogecoin, one of the very things that I've been getting a lot of money. And other than Dogecoin, you guys should have been paying attention towards ADA, Cardano, and you could be also looking through other tokens such as Sui, Pepe, and definitely some of the meme coins have been running quite well, guys. Okay, so I hope that you guys start to see where the market movement is moving towards and try to see what kind of coins has been looking very well. How about Ron? Okay, I'm not sure about that. Maybe let me check on my site. I haven't seen Ron coins. Maybe you are suggesting it's Tron, because I've never heard about Ron. Okay, Ronin from my side, I'm not seeing Ronin has been doing very well. The trend hasn't been going higher. It's just trying to break out of it, but not clear and convincing signs. And other than that, I have been holding on Polkadot, Cardano, Solana as well. So just most of the main coins, and definitely pay attention towards the meme coins, because meme coins could be offering you guys some surprises coming out of the market. A lot of it are breaking out of its downtrend for quite some times, and that could be one of the good cases that you guys should be focusing on, because a lot of the market movements are coming out from there after the bigger coin has started to go higher. Ronin, not a very good coin, but definitely you guys should be a bit worried about that. Ronin hasn't been doing very well from my side, guys. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions, Bulbasaur, and we'll see how it goes. But for now, other than we'll not just be discussing about cryptocurrency market, we'll also be discussing about the overall market other than this. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, because we'll be sharing with you guys what signals that we have been sharing with you guys on the Bitcoin market, and also on the gold market, silver market, how is our analysis, and how the market has been behaving since that. Okay, so bear with me for a while, because we are not just trading on Bitcoin, we are trading on the Forex side, commodities side as well. Okay, hope that helps you, Bulbasaur. And definitely, if you are holding on the long run, maybe you could make sure that you don't put too much exposure in just one single trade. Definitely, I won't be suggesting that you do that. Okay, so make sure that you have healthy stop losses, so you guys could stay long on the crypto run, because sometimes the volatility could be quite high, and you definitely don't want to get hit out easily by those stop losses, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys have done enough preparations on their side. I hope that's the case for you as well, Bulbasaur. Nice to see you, nice to see everyone. And alright, so we actually also do trade on the gold side. So we have already been profiting by almost around 7,000 pips last week, and last night when we still managed to make some profits around 700 pips. It has been quite a hectic day last night, but definitely we have already been sharing our signals on the gold sites for tonight, as you guys could see. And right now we are actually seeing some good signs coming out of the market, showing that gold prices have started to suppress, slowing down, go lower and lower. And that's why I've been recommending a sell signal, which I've been telling you the reasons that I'm seeing the downtrend momentum has been continuing, and we are likely to see that happening as well. So that's why I've been recommending a sell signal. I'm expected that gold prices could be even going lower and lower on the market. And definitely, if you guys love this kind of trading signals and you guys wanted to get more, make sure that you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link, and join our free trading channels, because on there we are sharing multiple trading signals and you guys could be profiting out of those trades as well. So right now we are currently in a floating profit on the gold trade by around 100 pips. It's not much, but definitely that is something for us to start from, because we are entering the trades around 2597 and right now we are in 2595, so it's around 200 pips, 300 pips. So if you guys have been following us, I believe that you guys should have been in a profit. Okay, so let us see the comments. Hello Rofelin, nice to see you. Hello. So hello everyone, especially for you guys who have been gifting us your gifts. I definitely see you guys here. Welcome to our live streaming sessions, and if you guys have anything to ask, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer any of your inquiries, any of your questions. Don't worry, you guys could still ask me anything, any questions related to trading. And if you guys are not giving me gifts, no worries, you could still let me know the questions and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So just drop in the comments and let me know what you guys are thinking about right now. Do you think Bitcoin will reach 100,000? Okay, so for that, I need to come back towards the Bitcoin chart for me to explain my view on that. Okay, Bitcoin, is there a possibility it could reach there? Definitely, but it's gonna take some time. It's not going to jump in just in a matter of day, because I'm seeing good chances right now. Okay, so as you guys could see, this is my overall analysis on the Bitcoin side. So initially I've been seeing that Bitcoin has been consolidating for quite some time on this side of the charts, and after these consolidations I'm already expected that Bitcoin prices could be going higher, just not as high as right now I'm expecting out of the trades. And right now from what I'm seeing, there could be this last huge market movement, and from Bitcoin I'm seeing the possibilities that the next possibility could be reaching around 104,000. As you guys could see on this side, 104,000, which is the next Fibonacci extensions, showing that possibility for the next price target. So right now we have already been nearing that kind of price targets, and we have already been sharing these signals with you guys, so you guys could be joining our trades. And I'm seeing that Bitcoin prices could be reaching 104,000, 154,000 and 200,000, but for that to reach those price targets, it's going to take some time. It's not going to take days, weeks, it's going to take months for you guys to see those big jumps of the prices, definitely, because you guys still need to maintain that rationality. Even though you guys could be bullish, but you still need to maintain that rationality on how the market movement could be working later on. So with that, I'm still pretty much optimistic that Bitcoin prices could be going higher. As you guys could see, I'm pretty much bullish, but 100,000 should be at the end of this year, guys. If the market movement continues to move in this kind of momentum as you guys are seeing right now, this could be a good chances where we could be seeing that at the end of the year 100,000 could be reached, guys. Okay, that's how I'm seeing the market. All right. So that's how I'm seeing the market, Ernan. I hope that helps you, Ernan. And thank you very much for your gifts, guys. But this is our second signal for tonight. Make sure that you put your stop losses, because I always be careful and put the necessary stop losses on our trades, so that if we are wrong on the trades, you guys could be securing your profits as well. All right. So there you go. We have been pretty open when we do share our signals, and this is the proof of it. And if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our home profile. Click on that link on our profile, so you guys could be getting more free trading signals, and it's all for free. So just make sure that you guys do check out on it and don't miss out on it. But if you guys think, oh, I want to have a live interactions with the traders, definitely you guys could follow us, give us your likes, give us your thumbs up, so that we know that you guys love what we are sharing to you guys. And definitely, if you think that what we have been sharing has been helpful for you, definitely you could share this video with your friends and family, because we are doing these live streaming sessions daily, and you guys could be trading together with your friends and family with this as well. Okay, so let us see how it goes. We are still holding on both our trades on the Bitcoin side on Friday and Monday, and we have readjusted our stop losses at around 85,000, 84,000. So if anything goes wrong on it, we are still able to profit out of the trades, and we are just incurring losses on tonight's trade, because tonight's trade is a bit riskier. And maybe if you guys are new, you guys are late to join our live streaming sessions, don't worry, you guys could still trade. It's a bit risky, but just make sure that you guys have entered the necessary stop losses as well, guys. Okay, I highly recommend that you guys do that. And you have already been pretty much bullish, and this statement could really help you guys to understand how I see the market right now. I'm pretty much bullish on Bitcoin. It has been building up to all-time high levels, and I'm happy to see we are currently in 2 trades floating profits on the Bitcoin side. First trade, we are still on a floating profit around, so we are entering the trade here, guys. Okay, so we're currently around floating profit at the current prices should be around $11,000. Okay, and second trade, we are in a floating profit of around $6,000 plus. So everything has been on our way. And if you guys love what we have been sharing with you guys, and you guys wanted to get more free trading signals out of us, make sure that you guys do check out our home profile on our bio and click on that link so you guys could join our free trading channel. And if you guys love how do we see the market, how do we feel the market, definitely you guys could also check out on that, and you can get more information on that. If you guys want to learn how to trade, you could definitely contact us, and we could be providing those kind of services with you as well, so you guys could know how to see the market and trade on your own as well. So how do you start trading? Definitely one of my suggestions to you guys definitely need to top up your accounts. Open a trading account, whether it's a Bitcoin trading account, whether it's Forex account. But if you guys want to start trading, definitely I suggest you guys could start to open an account, and you could also open an account with us, and you could trade together with us as well, and you guys could get more exclusive services on that side. So you guys could check our home profile, click on that link and say you want to open an account, and we will help you on the account process, and it will be very easy and very smooth. And definitely you need to learn something on the technical side, so I suggest that you guys could start reading some books and try to learn from the technical side, so you guys could understand what to see on the market and what can you do out of those as well. Okay, so it's very important. And after learning the trading basics, then you can start trading on a small account. Start with a small trades, never risk too much on a single trade, and you can start trading and understanding how the market works. Okay, so that's how I can suggest you on that, Nini. And if you guys want it, okay, you say, okay, I don't have enough time and I immediately want to make money out of a trades, how can I do that? So you can do that by simply open our profile, home profile on our bio, click on that link so you guys could check on that site. Please check RON token, please predict. Okay, so I'll be taking a small look on RON, because like I said, I think Bulbasaur, who has been here before, has been asking me about RON. From my view, RON hasn't been doing very well, guys. I don't know, maybe some of you guys are big fan of RON coin, so let us see. Okay, RON coin. So RON coin hasn't been moving on that uptrend momentum, guys. So as you guys could see, RON has been on this super downtrend, and it won't be a fun thing to trade on RON right now, guys. Okay, so definitely Ronin coin still takes some time for it to reach its highest price, and definitely I won't be recommending that you guys enter on these trades because it's going to take some time. It is still in a big downtrend, as you guys could see on the RON coin, and even on the small time frame, we are actually seeing that RON token has been quite slow in its market movement, as you guys could see. But definitely you guys started to see some breakout signs, but I will be not that convinced it could follow Bitcoin market movement. Bitcoin market movement has been quite good because of the new US president, and a lot of things has been focused more on the Bitcoin and the bigger coins such as the Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. So maybe you guys could start to see on that side of the trade, guys. Okay, for now I will be just suggesting Bitcoin because it's much more common and much more general, and most of you guys do notice on Bitcoin, so I'll be suggesting Bitcoins rather than on the other trades. Okay, so Bitcoin market has been doing quite well. It has been falling down near the low at around 86,500, hasn't hit our stop losses yet, and everything has been going on track. We are likely to see Bitcoin prices could be holding up pretty well, and we are still holding the trades for most of the trades, so you guys could do that. If you have been following us, I believe that most of you guys have already been a big profit, but if you guys haven't been able to do that, maybe you guys could have been in a small floating profit. No worries. Trading is not just a day's game, guys, and it's going to take months because we are doing trading for the long run. So I will be not that worried in just one single trades, and I'll be happy to let the trading run on its own. We'll see how the market works, but I'm still pretty much optimistic on this part of the trade as usual, guys. Okay, you're welcome, Renzo. Definitely, I suggest maybe you can try to look at the bigger coins because the market movement has been much clearer than the smaller coins. I can definitely see that is the case, guys. Okay. So if you guys are enjoying our analysis on how the market works, especially we're not just recommending on Bitcoin, we are also recommending that the trades could be also running on the other trades such as gold, silver. We are also looking through that as well. Okay. Alright, so there's a questions coming up from Triple D. Is there any chance that Bitcoin could be back on 30k? So if you're asking about chances, there will always be chances that Bitcoin could be going lower. Definitely. 30k? Not this year. Next year probably could be the case. Definitely not now. It could take a quite long time for Bitcoin prices could be dropping back to 30,000. It's not going to be just a day's market movement. It's gonna take months and years before it's going back lower, guys. Okay, so you need to set a realistic expectations because market movement couldn't be going down that fast. Okay. Second, if you have already missed out the opportunity, then you need to be able to accept it and move on, guys, because once you have already missed out on it, what you can do is try to learn out from it and not be upset about it, because if you're upset, you couldn't learn anything about this market movement and you could be missing out on the next market movement. So what I can recommend that you guys could do, try to learn from the current market movement and try not to miss out on the next big upward momentum, guys. Okay, so that's what I will be recommending that you guys could do. Don't miss out on the next move and try to learn what you missed out this time, guys. Okay. All right, so let us check what has been happening on the gold side of the chart. See what has been happening. Okay, so Bitcoin has been going higher, and it seems that also it's happening on the gold side as well. We are currently in a floating loss on the gold chart of the side, and probably it's going to take some time before we are likely to see the market movement to start slow down. So it's going to take some time. Maybe what you can do is try to enter some positions on that, and we'll see how it goes. But definitely we are still much more pessimistic on the gold since it has been broken down of the important support area, and we are likely to see that gold prices could be even heading lower. So that's why I'm recommending a sell signal, and currently we're in a floating profit of around floating loss around $5 to $6 right now, guys. Okay, so we are still intact with our trading plan. I'm expected that gold prices could be touching near here, and then it could be going lower next, guys. Okay, so that's why I've been giving quite a big gap on the stop losses, but just trying to achieve a small profit target because we are very near with this support area at 2590, and that's a possibility after reaching it, it could be jumping back higher. So that's why I'm a bit more cautious and see how the market movement works later on. But for now, I'm a much more optimistic on most of the trades coming out from the Bitcoin side. Definitely that's the case. I'm seeing much optimism happening on that side, and we could be getting some momentum coming out of those trades, guys. Okay, so I'll be making sure that you guys should be take a focus on that. Try not to miss out on it, because there seems to be a big market movement happening on the stock indices, Bitcoin market, and definitely don't miss out on those market movement, guys. Otherwise, you could be missing out on the great big thing that could be happening next on the market. Alright, so what's next? Okay, so let us see. So it seems that the gold market movement has been quite well, and if you guys love what we have been sharing and you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our bio, check out our profile, click on that link so you guys could enter and join our free trading signal channel, guys. And if you guys haven't have an account yet and you guys wanted to trade, definitely you guys could check out our link and say that you guys want to open an account, and there will be a lot of exclusive services as well, guys. Okay, there's a comment, let us check it out. Hi sir, okay, nice to see you. Camarillo, nice to see you. Hope you guys could learn something out of it. Hello as well. Sim, nice to see you. Yes, okay, so we are doing this live trading sessions, and right now we are in a floating loss, so everything will be transparent. And if we hit losses, we'll let you guys know we hit our losses. If we make profit, we'll let you guys know we hit a profit. And last night, actually, we do hit our stop losses, and we managed to recover our trades just for one single sell signal on the gold side. So everything could happen on the market. Sell losses could be happening on the market. So if you guys have loved what we've been sharing with you guys, definitely you guys could give us the support by following us so that you guys don't miss out on our next trading signals. And if you guys love what we have been sharing with you guys, definitely you guys could like us, give us a thumbs up. And if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful, definitely you guys could share this video with your friends and family so you guys could be trading together. Especially if you know that your friends and family are trading, definitely this kind of market analysis could be helpful for them. And you guys could be just listening to my analysis without following my signals. That's fine by me. And if you're happy to follow our signals, you're welcome to do so, guys. Okay. And thank you very much for your likes and your gifts, guys. I'm very happy to receive it from you guys. And we'll see you guys. Okay. Hello, Vanessa. Nice to see you. So we are trading on the gold side, Vanessa, and we could also be discussing about multiple products as well. And we are also discussing about Bitcoin, gold, and also other stuff, Vanessa. So you can check out on us, and we are doing these live streaming sessions daily. And right now we are currently focusing on the gold market, Vanessa. So you could check us out, and we'll see how the market works. Okay. Thank you very much. And how do you know I'm an Indonesian, Vanessa? Okay, so I'm interested on that. But definitely we are right now trading on the gold side, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So let us go back towards the Bitcoin market, because we have already been recommending Bitcoin trades as well. So let us see how the market movement has been working. Alright, so it seems that right now Bitcoin market movement has started to stabilize, and we are entering back towards its optimum entry prices. So definitely that's one of the good things that we are currently seeing on the market. And if you guys don't want to miss out on it, right now we are still into the entry prices ranges, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, and you could still enter the trade at our entry prices ranges around 87,850. You guys could still enter around those prices, and we have already set our stop losses. So we'll let the trade run on its own, and we'll see how it works on the market. For now, everything has been working well. We are seeing good signs that this market momentum could be continuing as well. So it's a bit risky because it has been quite high on the Bitcoin prices, and I'm quite optimistic it could be going higher. So that's why I'm recommending it to you guys again tonight. So that's the reasons I'm seeing good signs coming out of the market, and you guys should be also quite optimistic because it has been breaking out to higher highs, and I'm seeing good chances that it could be continue that uptrend momentum as well. So definitely, if you guys are interested on how we view the market and you guys wanted to learn more, you could definitely check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get more information on our site, and you guys could join our free trading signals, and you guys could get more options, what kind of trading channel that you guys want to trade. And definitely you guys could check out our home profile, our bio, and click on that link, guys. Okay. So everything has been doing quite well. The market has been going higher on Bitcoin. We'll see how it goes on the other side of the trade, because we are not just recommending gold, we are not just recommending Bitcoin. We could be looking at multiple trading assets in just one single night, so that you guys could stay updated on the market as well. Okay, so if you guys love our trading analysis, market outlook, and definitely the live trading signals, you guys could share this video with friends and family if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful for you guys. Yes, we are doing Forex trading, that's right. And right now could be a good time to trade on the Bitcoin, because it started to slow down. Yes, it started to rebound from its upper channel, and definitely this could be one of the good times. Yes, that's true, Vanessa. And let us see how the market works, guys. Okay. And if you guys love what we have been sharing, and you guys think, oh, you guys could be trading together with your friends and family, you could share this video with your friends, so you guys could be trading together and make money together, guys. Okay. Alright, so what's next? So it seems that we are just focusing on these two trading assets for tonight. We are entering the trades on both gold and Bitcoin, and so far the trade has been running on its own. We are still in a floating loss around $3 on this gold trading side, but it seems that everything is still going on track on our signals. We are seeing good chances that it could be going low afterwards. Okay, so stop losses, I'll be readjusting it to 2608. Okay, so your risk is a bit limited, and definitely you guys could be entering the trade right now. It's close towards it, and we have readjusted our stop losses. Maybe right now could be a good time for us to start looking at silver prices. Probably we could be getting some good signs coming off the market right now, and we could be started to sell silver, but I'm not sure, guys, because silver market momentum has been quite strong, and we see, guys. Okay, but definitely I'll be happy to wait, get some confirmations coming up from the gold market, and then enter the trade later on, guys. Okay, for now, let us take a big focus on the gold trade and see how it works, guys. Okay, gold market has been doing quite well. still intact with my view on the market working, and I'll be just letting the trade run on its own. Okay, so let us take a back look on the other trading side. Maybe we can try to take back a look on the Bitcoin side. Bitcoin market has been doing quite well for us, and we are still within our entry prices, as you guys could see here. This is our signal for tonight, and definitely you guys could join us on our trades because we are still at our entry prices. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, because maybe you guys have been missing out on the Friday signal, you guys could have been missing out on the Monday signals, but make sure that you guys don't miss out on tonight's signal, because once trading momentum is gone, you will likely to miss out on your trading chances as well. Okay, so we are still within the entry prices, and we have already set out the trading plan as well. So definitely you guys don't miss out on it, and join and follow our trading signals on the Bitcoin side. I know that the vibe and the fat on the Bitcoin is still going up, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, guys. Okay. So we'll see. Everything has been working well. So it seems that US dollar index has been still going higher and higher, and that really pushed down gold prices, as I've already mentioned with you guys, that gold prices has been weakened with the strength coming up from the US dollar index. So you guys could see that US dollar index has been trading higher and higher, and that has really helped to push down gold prices. So this is the US dollar price index. So if you guys are from emerging markets, definitely you guys have been seeing your currency are going weaker against the dollar, and it was because due to the reasons that we are seeing the strength coming out from the US dollar index, and that has really helped to push down gold prices, guys. Okay, so gold prices has been going down due to the strength coming out from the market. So one of the things that you guys could have done, try to maintain positions, sell against gold, buy Bitcoin, because the market has been doing quite well on those market as well. And definitely if you guys are trading on the currency market, GBP USD could be one of the good choices as well. That's been going lower and lower, and Euro USD has also been going lower and lower as well. As you guys could see, I've already seen that Euro has been quite weakened for quite some times, and we are likely to see that happening. Especially there will be some big news coming up from tomorrow's night, and so we'll see how the market works. And economic sentiment has been quite low, Euro has been quite weakened, so probably you guys could also start initiating a sell positions on this. I'm pretty much bearish on Euro as well, but for now our opening trades are still coming up from gold and Bitcoin market for tonight, guys. Okay. Okay, so for you guys who are new, welcome. And definitely right now we could still trade on this gold chart, because even though right now we are still seeing that the entry price is a bit higher, but right now it's still an optimum price and you guys could still enter the trade. We could sell this, and we have already put the stop losses at 2608, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. And We'll see how the market works, because right now there's some clear signs that gold price movement has started to slow down around 2603, and we have already entered the trade earlier at 2597. So I've been giving you guys some price ranges, so if you guys are late, you guys could still enter the trade, and definitely gold could still be one of the great choices for you guys to enter the trade. Right now we are still in a very good positions to enter the trade. Make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. And definitely, if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals other than the live streaming sessions that we are doing, you can check out the home profile, click on that link so you guys could join our free trading signal channel, and you guys could be getting a lot of trading signals for free without paying a cent, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys do click out on that, and you could be also making some money on the trades as well. Okay, so how our Bitcoin trade has been doing? So our Bitcoin trade has been doing quite well. It was still within our entry prices. It's not far away because Bitcoin prices has been moving quite big. So just shy around $100 for our entry prices. It hasn't been far, and we are likely to see this market momentum to be continuing later on in the market, because market movement has been quite slow on Bitcoin side for tonight. I don't know what happened, but maybe we will be seeing some market momentum after the release on the inflation side on Wednesday, guys. So I will be likely to see those market momentum coming out later on, and I'm still pretty much optimistic. So I believe that you guys shouldn't be trying to enter a sell signal, because selling against the Bitcoin market is like trying to drive against the traffic, guys. Okay, so I won't be recommending that you guys do that, and you guys should be trying to make a good entry point on the Bitcoin side and try to buy at the good prices. Definitely that's the best thing that you guys could have done. We'll see, guys. Everything is still on track. Okay. Maybe right now, since the price movement hasn't been moving quite much on both gold, Bitcoin, maybe we can try to shift our view on the currency market. Maybe there's some good trades that are coming out of the currency market, and we could be trading on those sides. Okay, so right now let us check on this currency strength charts to see what the market movement has been quite exciting on most of the trades. So as you guys could see, that the market trade has been working quite well on the US dollar side. US dollar has been quite strong together with the Swiss franc, so I'll be make sure that I don't trade against US dollar and Swiss francs, but definitely I'm seeing weaknesses are appearing on GBP. Weaknesses are also appearing on the Euro side, so maybe we could be started to do some trades against the GBP USD, Euro USD, try to sell them, because it seems that market momentum are heading towards those directions right now. Okay, so I'll be giving out this sell signal, GBP USD. Okay, there you go. This is our third signal for tonight. I'm a bit optimistic on this trade because the market movement has started slow on the GBP side, and maybe we could be making some money out of these trades. Because certainly Bitcoin market hasn't been moving much, gold market has been quite slow, and that's why I try to turn some of our attentions to this market signal as well. Okay, probably we could find something interesting coming out of this market, and we could be making some money out of these currency trades, because we will never limit our good position trading on most of the assets, and we try to make the best use out of any opportunity that are coming out to our faces, guys. Okay, so it is likely that this market could be offering us some opportunities, and we are making the best use out of tonight's trade. So GBP/USD has been one of it, and market movement has been slowly going down lower and lower as we are seeing that happening. So everything has been quite well on the side of our trade, and it could be also the case on EUR/USD, but I'm afraid that the market movement has started to slow down even faster. So if you guys are interested, you could definitely sell EUR/USD, enter prices at the current prices right now. Okay, there you go. If you want to try to sell against it, it's a bit late compared to our GBP trades, which has been going down lower than our entry prices. So if you guys are interested, definitely you guys could still short it. Alright, so I believe that we are almost entering our final time of our trades, and it seems market on the gold side, Bitcoin side has been quite slow. That's why I'm trying to focus on our side on this gold trade. But definitely it has been quite a slow tonight because gold market movement has been quite slow. So we'll see how it works. Definitely gold has been quite a good trade for us last week. I'm hoping that will be the case on this week. And let us see how the market works. And we have also been recommending Bitcoin prices for quite some times. It hasn't been moving much, and definitely right now the current price is a bit lower, so you guys could definitely find a good entry point on the Bitcoin prices. And we'll see how the market works, because okay, Bitcoin prices started to slow down, and we are likely to see some consolidations around 86,000. So we'll see. 86,000 could be our consolidations phases, and we could be seeing some bouncing market movement afterwards. But we'll never know until we see how the market works later on. So I'm pretty much optimistic that this market momentum could go out. And on the cryptocurrency side, I am seeing there's some slowdowns on most sides of the market, so maybe you guys could be much more patient and work out on it later on, because some slowdown is quite important, because if market movement has been quite fast, it's usually not a healthy sign coming off the market. So I prefer that market movement started to slow down a bit, take a break, because it has been jumping too fast from my opinion. So you could be taking some times before market movement started to come back to normal, because after jumping quite much, you are likely to see market movement could be continuing going higher, guys. Okay. Alright, so just for the recap for tonight, so we are still sharing these signals on the sell gold. We are still currently on floating loss around $4, so it's not a big loss, around 400 pips floating loss. But definitely I will be giving a pretty tighter stop losses around those. It's still fine, we could still trade on it, and we'll just let the trade run on its own. Make sure that you guys don't over trade in one single position. If you are trading multiple positions, if you're just trading one positions, maximum risk per trade 1%, the lower the better, guys. And we have already been recommending, other than that, also the GBP/USD. GBP/USD has been quite slow, and we have already put the necessary stop losses, and I won't be changing a lot because we are just sharing this signal. And also the EUR/USD market movement has started to even go slower and lower than our prices, so you guys could reconsider and try to enter the trades, and we have already put the necessary stop losses as well. So if you guys think, okay, you guys want to enter the trade, you guys could still enter the trade. We have already put this necessary signals and the stop losses required as well. And the last signal that I've been sharing and a lot of people are getting more attention is the Bitcoin side. Two of the signals that we have been sharing since last week, Friday signals and yesterday signals on Monday side, has been quite profitable. We are in floating profit around $11,000 in the first trades. Second profit are still in a floating profit around $6,000. So I'm still pretty much optimistic, and I'm recommending a third signals for tonight. And it seems that market movement could be going higher, but tonight I'm seeing that it could be slowing down, consolidating near 85,000, 86,000 before going back higher. So make sure that you guys put up the stop losses and make sure that you guys have put the necessary amount of market movement so that the Bitcoin prices could be moving towards higher prices later on. Okay, so I think I'll be ending tonight's live streaming sessions, and definitely if you guys have been enjoying our live streaming sessions and you think, okay, you guys wanted this more often, you guys could also be following us so you guys don't miss out on our trading signals, because we are doing these live trading sessions from Monday to Friday. And I hope that you guys don't miss out on our trading signals, because we have already been making profit a lot, mostly on the gold side. And for the last few days, we have already been trading on the Bitcoin as well, because the market momentum has been quite well and we have already been able to capitalize on it. And tonight we also share some signals on the GBP/USD, EUR/USD, because we are seeing some weaknesses coming alongside on the GBP side, also on the Euro side. So that's why we are trying to sell it as well. Both of the trades are still running, so we'll just see how the market works later on. And on the Bitcoin side, the trade is still running on its own. We are likely to see consolidations for tonight. I'm not seeing that this trade could be suddenly just going higher just in today. It seems that the market movement will be consolidating, and we are likely to see market movement to slow down around 85,000. So I hope that the stop losses doesn't hit on its own, but if it does happen, we have already set our trading plan and I won't be touching it a lot. So we'll see how the market movement works tomorrow together, and we'll start our live streaming sessions tomorrow as usual around 7 p.m. Singaporean time until 10 p.m. Singaporean times. Okay, so I hope that I see you guys tomorrow, and thank you very much for your support, guys. I'm seeing that you guys do give us some gifts. Thank you very much, Apace and Vanessa. Thank you very much, and everyone who is still on these live streaming sessions, because we will be having the next trader talking about the market as well. So he will be continuing this live streaming sessions with you guys, and he will be giving his insights on the market, and he's more into the smart money concepts. And he is a more of a swing trader rather than a position trader like I am. And definitely you guys could learn some things out of him. And maybe if you guys are more into his style, smart money concepts, fair value gaps, definitely Jaden, you could also check out on his live streaming sessions after me. So don't exit out of these live streaming sessions. We will be continuing soon, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys still follow us, and Jaden will be doing live trading sessions with you together as well. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and thank you very much for your comments and your compliments, and especially for the ones who have still been accompanying us, loyal audience. Thank you very much, Peace, Vanessa, and I hope that you guys learned something out of tonight's market analysis, market outlook, and hope that you guys could be making some money through our trading signals for tonight, guys. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.
Hello everyone, so let's begin to the live streaming session. So my name is Jaden, hopefully you still remember me, and today let's talk about what we are doing right away. So yesterday we already mentioned that the gold will be probably going lower. If you still remember what I already saying, that the price of gold is probably going lower. So we can see that this is the range of area the price has been rebalancing out, and then after that the price has been continue going lower. So we can see that the price has been going lower. So today I'll be teaching you guys one of my master classes that is one of the most important area is that the volume profile. Later on, I will be showing you guys. So what is volume profile? Is actually quite similar what I'm teaching you right now. Volume profile is actually showing insights of this area. So what does it mean by volume profile? Volume profile is showing you signs of where is the balance phase, where is the imbalance phase, and where is the price is running through. So where is the most volume area? So what does it mean by the most volume area? Most volume area is something like here. So you can see that this is the most volume area. What does it mean by that? It means that the price usually buying and selling at the same place. So a lot of people will be buying and selling the same price. And then after that, what will happen? This is what we call a imbalance. Okay, imbalance meaning by that is one side of the market moving. So what does it mean by that? It mean that not a lot of people pushing the price lower. So this is actually imbalance. Once imbalance has been formed, then we'll be starting rock again on a balancing phase and go on and continue and go on. So today I'll be teaching you guys what is the volume profile and teaching you guys what to do later on. Okay. So to be teaching you guys, I'm actually doing a short positions on the crude oil markets. So I'll be Okay, so let's begin today's sessions again. So I will be talking about again what we'll be talking about. So today we'll be talking about teaching you guys the importance on volume profile. Okay, so what does volume profile means? Volume profile is actually showing you what's the insights of the candlesticks. So candlesticks is actually forming buying and selling, but we didn't really know where is the most uh, the volume is the most significant or the less significant. So later on, I'll be discussing and also teaching you guys how to do trading later on. Okay, so let's begin today's sessions. So right away, we already mentioned that the dollar index is probably going higher. So you can see that price of dollar index is showing signs. So you can see the price has been going high and rebalancing to this low. This is the sell side liquidity, and once the price has been reaching through, you can see that the price is actually rebalancing down and the price is actually going higher. As we already mentioned, we are likely to see that the dollar index will be probably going higher. And where is it going through? At least to this area. So probably we are looking through that the price is definitely going higher and reaching through this area. Okay, once the price has been reaching through this area, then we might see some kind of retrenchment, but right away we can't really assuming that the dollar index will be going this low. I'm thinking it's quite unlikely. So probably the price of dollar index is probably going higher. So this we have been talking about yesterday. So we already giving you the biggest insights on what is happening. So buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. So what you can see is that the price has been liquidated from here. So we are exactly predicting that the price is likely to go on the higher basis. So from this point onwards, we are predict that the dollar index is going higher. So going back to the gold market, okay, gold market, we have been already mentioned to you guys that we are likely to see on the shorter sides. Yesterday, we have been giving out one of the biggest trade that we have been giving out is right here, and we have been saying that we are likely to see where does the price going through this area, the liquidity, sell side liquidity area. So we can see that the price has been reaching through, going back and going to the sell side liquidity. So going to the 4-hour range, you can see that the price has been reaching through this low and maybe even much more lower. But right now, we can see that the price has been rebalancing down upwards. Why? Because the price has been reaching through the monthly low. Okay, so right now the price has been reaching through the monthly low. So what will happen once the price has been reaching through the monthly low? Price will be retracement back towards upwards. So we can see that in a short period of time, the price will be retracement upwards in the, where is it? We are actually expecting that is around 2611 to 2614. Okay, once the price has been reaching through, then we can exactly planning to do short positions, but right away we are looking through. Wait for a moment. So right now we can see that the price is likely to go higher. Okay, so we are thinking that the price is likely to go higher. Planning that hopefully we can see the price reaching through this imbalance. Maybe 1 1 to 1 3 is the most nicest place to do shorts. It's not really likely that the price will be breaking through this above. To be honest, later on I'll be telling you guys why. But right away, I'm much more leaning to do shorts. So we can see that the price has been grabbing here, rebalancing down. So right away, we are planning to see some kind of uh retracement downwards on the downsides. Okay, so we can expect that the market will be reaching through here, hopefully, and expectations that the price might be going lower. But to be fair, the price has been reaching through our monthly low. So mostly I'm thinking that the price might be going retracement. So we'll be waiting and see how does the price react later on. Okay. So I will be teaching you guys on how to do trading later on. Okay. So right away, I will be teaching you guys this is SMC, the market liquidity. I actually usually tell you guys that the market will be going through a liquidity to another liquidity site. But right away, today I'll be teaching you guys a new thing. It's called volume profile. So I'll be giving you guys hints and signs of what is going on. Okay, so let's see. And going through from the this one. Okay. 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 So this is actually what we have been going to you guys is volume profile. Okay, so what does volume profile means? So you can see that this is the volume profile that's showing you guys that where is the most important area. So this is the most a lot of volume, meaning by that is a lot of people doing buying and selling at this point. So you can see this is the area, this is area, this is the area, this is the area, this is the area. Yeah. Usually people call it point of control, but I usually just say that this is the most volume area. Okay, but you can say you can define as point of control. Okay, so a lot of people will be doing buying and selling, maybe institutions, maybe retails, or maybe even a lot. Okay, so what we can see is that the market is going through this a lot of volume. Okay, so meaning by that is usually the market will be going buying and selling, but where does the price is going? You can see that is the imbalance. So once the imbalance has been formed, you can see that the price will be exactly going back towards this area. Okay, so right now I will be telling you guys how to use this volume profile. Okay, so to be easy you guys to know about it, so we'll be closing down and showing you guys how to use it in the bigger time frame. So as we already mentioned, we usually will be analyzing using a bigger time frame. Okay, so usually I'll be seeing you need to have your bias first, to be honest. So from I already mentioned before, we are expectations that the price is most likely is going on the lower sides. So we can see that the price is reflecting from here. As we already mentioned before, the price has been failed to displace and then the price has been going lower and lower. So right away, I'll be giving you a bigger signs of what is going on. So using this, and giving you, I usually will be forming back to this because this is the starting point. So let's see. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the price has been going higher. This is the most a lot of liquidity area. The price has been rebalancing down. Okay, so this is the actually impulse or the imbalance. So you can see that this is not really much of volatility. So once the not much volatility, what we happens, we can see that the price usually will be rebalancing to back to the most volatility area. So this is what we can see. So you can see that the price has been reaching through, grabbing this, the most less liquidity area, what we call as imbalance. But from ICT, you can see that this is actually grab of liquidity. And then once the price has been grabbed of liquidity, where does the price go to? The most volume area. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this most volume area. So you can see that the price is showing you signs that this is the area that will be a lot of people will be doing buy and sell in this line. So this is what we call point of control. So you can see usually doesn't mean that this is a strong resistance or support to what I'm expected on. This is actually telling you guys that a lot buying and selling. So what does it mean by that? Okay, so actually this line is that usually will be giving you signs of doing buy shots in two points of perspective. So you can see that from this point onwards, you can see that the price is going higher, but from this point onwards, people is doing shorts on this area. So what we can say that the point of a control is a lot of people doing buy and selling in this process. Okay, so we can see that the price has been rebalancing down. Okay, so you can see that the price has been rebalancing, and that's a lot of volume. Then the price has been reaching back and going on the lower sides. So let's use a much more lesser, maybe around this area. So we can see that the price has been reaching through, grabbing this liquidations, and then going lower. Okay, so what we can see right now, we can see that the price has been going back, and this is the what we call the ranging area, the most liquidity area, and then the price has been impulse, so meaning by imbalance. So once the price has been imbalanced, and right now is the most liquidity area, so what we can expect, the price will be rebalancing back to the efficiency area. So it's this area. So going back, this is the whole area. Okay, so this is the whole area. So let's go through one by one using a much more details of sections volume profile. Okay, so using by 1 hour time frame, so giving you guys what is showing sites on much more details. Okay, so from this point onwards, what we can see, the price has been forming here. Okay, this is the most volume area. So what we can see, you can see that the price is actually showing some kind of support from this area. So you can see that it's actually showing some signs of going higher in a short period of time. The price is showing this is the area, that the strongest area. So you can see that the price is grabbing the quotations, and then once the price impulse, this is the ranging area. That once the price has been going back to the balance range, what we can expect, the price will be going back and grab back to the efficiency area. So what does it mean by efficiency area? The less liquidity area. So you can see here, there's a lot. Okay, so you can see that there's a lot. So in a short period of time, we can expect that the crude oil price might be reaching back towards upwards, because you can see that price has been reaching through the most liquidity area, the previous liquidity area, and then the price has been showing some signs that the price is going higher. Okay, so in a short period of time, we might expect that the price will be reaching much more higher. And where does it we expect it to? Probably on the 4-hour range. So we can see that this is the range. So we'll be waiting again. Let's wait for the. Okay, so where does the price going through? The liquidity area. So there's a lot of liquidity imbalance. So once the price has been grabbing this imbalance, then we can expect that the price will be going over. So this is what we actually can use it once you use. Once you can see that a lot of this area, so you can see the price has been grabbing here, so we are likely to see some kind of going back towards upwards. So we need to have influence. So what does it mean by influence? So let's see. Okay, so let's see what is happening right here. So you can see that the price has been going from what we call this the ranging area, the most volume area, impulse, I mean, sorry, not impulse, imbalance, reaching back to a lower here. So from my expectations, I'm thinking that we are probably thinking that price might be reaching back to around maybe around 69.16. Why? We can see that this is actually an area, and we will be speculations that the price will be reaching back around maybe 69.135, that kind of area. But all along, I already mentioned that we have a bias. This is actually giving you some kind of clue what is going on in right away. So we can see that the price is showing signs of a really strong supporting area from here, and the price has been reaching back and reaching to this area, to this imbalance range. So what we can expect is that the price will be reaching back to this imbalance phase. So we can use, either you can just use Fibonacci, just from this to this, from here to here, 50%, you can use this. Okay, usually will be working. So you can see that this is the 50%. We can use this is that area to reaching to our area. So probably is around this area, just what I already mentioned. So I just make it right here. So we can expect that the price might be reaching back and rebalancing out from this point onwards. Okay, as we already mentioned, the price is likely to go lower because the bigger time frame we already mentioned before. But right away, the market is telling you guys that the price is preparing to rebalancing above. So I'm probably waiting from 69.15, and then the price might be continue going lower. So this is what we can use from the volume profile. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be always teaching you guys the free contents and free informations that you can learn from and also to trade on. Okay, so this is what we actually need for it. So if you do really like my analysis using volume profile, or if you want to learn more about it, you can just give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and we'll be continue to giving you much more details about how we do trading and how we'll be giving out free contents and so on. Okay, So right away, we can expect that the dollar, I mean, the crude oil will be reaching back towards upwards. Okay, so this is what we can expect. So going back to our charts from this, from MT5. So right away, we can expect that the price might be likely to reach more higher. Okay, so as we already mentioned, okay, so the bigger time frame, I already give you a clue about why I'm thinking that the price is going lower. Okay, so this is the bigger time frame, and I will be showing you guys why I'm thinking that the price of crude oil is going lower. Okay, so you can see that the price is actually showing a bigger time frame. The price has been reaching through this liquidity. So I already mentioned, usually the hedge fund or bigger institutions will be grabbing these liquidations. Once the liquidations has been grabbing, will be selling these liquidations because this is a lot of liquidity. A lot of retail traders will be trading on. So a lot of buying, I mean, pending buying. So a lot of people will be doing shorts around here. Hedge fund institutions will be putting their short positions right here, and the price has been going lower. So from this point onwards, what we can see that the price has been reaching through this, and the price is going higher, but failed to break higher. So we can see that the price has been failed to break higher, and the price has been going here, reaching through this order block, and the price has been eventually going on the lower sides. So going back to the monthly time frame, we also can see that what is going on. Okay, so you can see that the price is from here onwards, the price has been grabbing this liquidity, and what is going on, rebalancing back, and price has been closing below. So what we can see, so it's likely that the price is going lower to be higher. So it's not really much, going back to the probability perspective, I'm thinking that it's not really likely that the price will be reaching back towards this area. So our positions is going lower. So you can see that from the daily time frame, we can see that the price, I was expectations that the price is going here and rebalancing from this order block, but the price isn't reaching through, grabbing these liquidations and continue going lower. So I already mentioned this is the monthly low. So this is actually what I'm expectations, that this is the monthly low, and the price is definitely showing signs that it's going lower and lower. Okay, so you can see that this is also giving you a really good heads up. You can see that the price is showing signs of going higher but fail to break higher, but after that the price has been closing lower. So from this point onwards, we can see that the market is actually going lower. Okay, so this is manipulations, displacement. So right away the price is a lot of and just now we have been showing you guys that this is a lot of volume, okay, using volume profile. So what we can expect, the market will be rebalancing down. So because this is the daily, so we'll be using 1 hour or 4 hour to see where's the liquidity area. So I'm definitely using 4 hour, to be honest. So we'll be using this as our range because this is the starting point. So this is the manipulations, displacement, and rebalancing. So what we can expect, we are expecting that the price might be rebalancing to this area. So this is our area to do shorts area. So what we can expect is that the price is maybe likely to reach through this area, and okay, this area, and we'll be doing shorts. Okay, so this is what we call a order block area, and also rebalancing. So the story is telling us that the price is rebalancing to this efficiency, okay, grabbing back to this liquidity area, rebalancing out. So once the price has been rebalancing out, we are likely to see the price is continue going lower, whereas here, or even much more lower. Okay, so right away we can expect that the price is likely to go higher and reaching to this. So in the short period of time, crude oil might be reaching back towards this area. So gold market. Okay, gold market, I'll be also showing you guys the volume profile, but I will be showing you guys what is going on using the SMC. As I already mentioned, this is actually the liquidity area. You need to know that the market is going liquidity by liquidity. So means that the market usually will be grabbing to a liquidity to another liquidity. So this is really important. Hopefully you do learn something. Okay, So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue sharing you much more informations, new informations, and also great contents about it. Okay, so right away, let's see about the oil markets. I'm definitely thinking that the price is going higher. So the price is actually rebalancing in this area, so it's probably going higher. So let's see how it turns out later on. The price will be reaching through here, and then the price will be going lower. So in a short period of time, we are thinking that the price is reaching back towards this area. I'm thinking that is probably the dollar index has been showing some kind of weaker signs, maybe reaching through this what we call the point of interest. I mean, this is the liquidity area, so might be some signs of lowering down. But overall, our expectations from the dollar index is continue going higher. Okay, so don't be afraid. Dollar index is probably going on the higher sides. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. I'm using SMC and giving you some signs of what is the price is going, a liquidity to another liquidity. Once the price has been reaching through another liquidity, and then we'll be using a market maker model on and so on. Okay. So if you do really like us, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, remember to like and subscribe and follow us. So right away, let's talk about the gold market. So what is happening on the gold market? Hey, gold market, because this might be a really confusing from the first sign. So we'll be using another charts to letting you guys know what is really going on. So we'll be cancelling out everything and giving you one by one, step by step, what's my thought about it. Okay. So as I already mentioned, the price has been reaching through this. The price from the monthly perspective is showing some kind of going higher. So you can see that the price is going higher. But right now, this is the really important thing that you need to know about it. Right now, the gold market has been breaking through the most important level, and this is what I'm expecting on. We can expect it at the next couple of days, couple of months, the gold market will be likely to go lower. So why I'm saying that? So let's go by one. Okay, so here it might be too white, so I'll be changing the color so that you can see much more clearly. So here, okay, using this. Okay, so the black color, okay, the black color is showing that the price is going higher. The white color is that the price is showing lower. So you can see, okay, so from that point onwards, what we can see from this, okay, okay, so from this, what we can see, you can see that the price is actually closing above. So you can see that the price is closing the previous candlestick above. So you can see this is starting from this year, February onwards. So you can see that the price is continue closing above. So you can see this is above, above, above. This is didn't really close below, okay? But the price afterwards above, 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 and above. So you can see that from February onwards, the candlesticks, the bullish candlestick from the monthly perspective, the price is continue closing above. So you can see didn't really touch the previous low. So you can see that from February onwards in 2024, the price didn't close the previous candlestick below before. So you can see that the price has been closing above from here, closing above here, closing above here. This didn't really show any signs giving you doji, but really didn't close below. And then afterwards, the price has been closing above, closing above, closing above, and this is also closing above. So right now, what we can see, the price has been closing below. So what we can expect? We can expect that in the next couple of weeks, months, days is likely to continue going where? Going lower. Okay, so we can expect that the price is likely to go lower. Why? Because the price is already closing here. So a lot of people didn't really expect that. People probably would be thinking that the price is going higher, but from the monthly, biggest time frame is the most important one. You need to remember, okay? We need to use the smaller time frame aligning with the bigger time frame. So from this point onwards, I'll be telling you guys again, so you can see what can we expect the price is going lower once the price is closing the previous low. So you can see that low, ranging, didn't reach low, high, low, 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 and the price changing directions afterwards the price is going higher. But right now, what we can see, the price has been finally breaking through this low. I already mentioned to you guys that right now there's no any reasons that giving the gold market is going higher. We need to have a reasons that the gold is going higher. But right now, we didn't have any reasons. So we can see that the price has been closing below. So this is the monthly perspective. Okay, so going back to the weekly perspective. So weekly, what we can see. Weekly, we can see that the price is already giving signs that the price is going lower. So from this point onwards, you can see that the price is reaching through this. The price failed to displace. A lot of people will be buying here, but actually the institutions, hedge fund will be using these positions to sell out their gold positions because a lot of need to have a lot of buyers. Only that can only sell their stocks. Okay, you need to know that where if there's no liquidity, then that they can't try to sell their stocks and positions. So we can see that this is the price has been reaching through this, grabbing this liquidations. Once this liquidations has been grabbed, we already mentioned that price is going lower and we are predictions that the price will be reaching through this low. Okay, so you can see that the price has been going on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, the price has been reaching through and grabbing this low. Okay, but from the bigger time frame is already showing us saying that price is probably is going on the lower sides. So you can see the price is showing here and grabbing on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, our bias on the bigger time frame is that the gold market is probably going lower. So don't try to do long positions, okay? It's probably is going on the lower sides. So where do we do shorts? Okay, so this is the most important questions. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. We are using the bigger time frame to giving you an analysis, and then after that using the smaller time frame to aligning with the bigger time frame. You need to know that the bigger time frame is the most important one. Smaller time frame is actually a lot of noise, so you need to have a bigger time frame giving you guys what is the bias right away. So we can see that the price has been reaching through this and going back and grabbing this low. Okay, so this is the monthly low. Usually will be forming some kind of supports going higher. So right away, I'm thinking that the price is reaching through some kind of supports and reaching back towards above area. Okay, so this is what we can see from this point onwards. Okay, from the weekly time frame, we already mentioned that the price is going lower. From the daily time frame, we can see that the price is also going lower as well. From the 4-hour time frame, the price is showing much more details about it. I will be giving you another charts. This is much more details about it. So let's talk about this one. This one. Okay, maybe I'll because some black, but I think that it should be all right. So going back and giving you signs from this. Okay, so this is the details one. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And after that, I'll be giving you much more details about how do we do trading right now. Okay, so crude oil, is it going higher? Just now we say that the price is definitely showing signs of going higher. So let's see, the price of crude oil is probably going higher. So later on, I'll be much more details about it. Okay, so right now, what we can see. Okay, so right away we can see that the market has been going lower. Okay, so this is what we can see. The market has been going lower. Okay, manipulation, displacement, and rebalancing back to this efficiency. So this is the highest part, and the price has been continue going lower grabbing this liquidity, and then after that, the price has been going through this imbalance. Just now, what we had already mentioned, this is a volume profile, the most volume area. So the price will be using this and rebalancing to previous efficiency area. Once the price has been rebalancing to this efficiency area, what we can expect, the price has been continued to the impulse to the to the imbalance. So right now the price has been reaching through this liquidation. So what we can expect that the price will be rebalancing upwards. Okay, so where do we do the positions? So this is the most important thing. So I will be also showing you guys the volume profile, the thing that I just showed you before. So let's show you that where is the volume profile and so on. Okay, so right away, I will be showing you guys the volume profile. So again, using this and showing you guys on this one. So right away, this is the gold market. So I'll be closing out this one and showing you guys the bigger time frame first. Okay, so the bigger time frame, what is going on? So we'll be using this the bigger time frame. So you can see that the price from here onwards, you can see that the price has been rebalancing from here. You can see that this is the most volume area. A lot of people doing buy and sells. And then once the price has been reaching back towards lower and rebalancing that, going on the lower sides and grabbing this liquidation. So we can see that the price is actually grabbing this liquidity. So it's exactly reaching back to the rebalancing phase and also this liquidity, or maybe you can say this is the volume area. So this is the bigger time frame is showing us the price has been imbalanced down and the price is actually rebalancing back. So rebalancing back, so we'll be using the much more details. Okay, so we'll be using the 4-hour range. Okay, so what we can expect. So you can see that the price is from this point onwards, the price has been continue going lower. Okay, you can see that the price has been reaching through, rebalancing out to grab this liquidity, and then the price has been breaking through this. The price has been continue going lower. Right now, we can see that the price is actually also forming the most volume area. So it's not really likely that the price will be breaking through this level. To be honest, I'm not really thinking that the price will be breaking through this area. So probably the price will be rebalancing back to where 11 to 13, that kind of area. So where is it, that kind of area? 11 to 13 is actually our imbalance area. So you can see that the price has been going lower and this is the volume area. So as we already mentioned, this is the liquidity. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing phase from this point onwards. So 11 to 14 is actually the imbalancing phase. Okay, so this is what we thought, thinking about. We are likely to see some kind of rebalancing phase to 11 to 14. Okay, so going back using to our MT5, so we are likely to see that the price will be going back to the 11 to 15. So it's likely to reach back and going back to the, maybe yeah, the price will be likely to reach back, breaking to this high and reaching to 11. What we expect 11 to 14, and is also the imbalancing phase from this point onwards. Is it 1 hour? Okay, yeah, I'm thinking that it's actually 1 hour. So we are expecting that price is rebalancing from this area. So let's see how does the price react from here. So going back 5 minutes and see how does the price react from this point onwards. So this is the area that we are likely to see the price reaching through this area, because this is the 1 hour imbalance area. So let's see how does the price react from this point onwards. Okay, so you can see that this is the area that we are looking to do shorts and see how it turns out. Okay, if the price grab this liquidity and then closing below, then we are likely to see the price is going lower. If not, then probably might be reaching back towards this area, or maybe even higher. Okay, if the price do really break through this area, this this fair value gap, we are likely to see some kind of going upwards momentum and reaching back to this imbalance area. But right away, let's see how the price react from this point onwards. Okay, so right now we are expectations that the price will be reaching back to this level. Okay, crude oil, it's also the same. If you still remember, we also giving you guys on the AUD So AUD is likely to go higher. So we can already mention that the price has been going higher. So buy side liquidity, the price has been rebalancing back. So we are likely to see price is going higher. So where does it go to? You can see that the price is actually forming the rebalancing. So you can see that this is where we already mentioned before. The price is reaching through this fair value gap. So we can see that the price has been reaching through this fair value gap and the price is going higher and reaching through more higher because overall, I already mentioned that the price is going higher sides. So it's probably reaching back towards upwards. So definitely we are seeing some kind of market maker buy model. Okay, the price is reaching through this low and then continue going on the higher sides. Okay, so we are probably seeing some kind of signs that the price is going higher. Okay, so AUD you can try to do long and Nasdaq we already mentioned. Hopefully that the price do really reaching back, but the price did reaching through. And cryptocurrency later on I'll be telling you guys, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, let's see from the gold market perspective and hopefully that we can see some kind of reaction from this point onwards. So it's around 1 1 to 1 2 1 3 1 4. If the price do really rejections below, then we can see some kind of signs that the price is going lower. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Hopefully you do really enjoy our lessons and do learn something. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, so remember to give us your like and subscribe. Hopefully we can continue do this kind of content together. Okay, so if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So we will be watching the price to reaching through this area, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is the 1 hour area, so we need to probably see a rejections in the 10 p.m. If the price do really rejects, then we can see some kind of signs that we can try to do shots in the 5 minutes area, and we are likely to end lower. But right now we are looking through and see how the price react from here onwards. Okay, so as I already mentioned, right now the price has been grabbing this liquidity. A lot of people will be thinking to do shorts. So we need to have a confirmation first. Okay. A lot of people will be doing shorts, to be honest, because this is the breakout structure. A lot of people will be thinking shorts, but definitely right now the price is actually rebalancing above. There's a chances that the price do really rebalancing above, but I don't really think that. So let's see how it happens. So right away, we need to see how the price react from this point onwards. So this is 1 1 to 1 4. Okay, so let's see how the price react. Okay, and crude oil, let's see about the crude oil. Crude oil, the price. Yeah, I'm thinking that the price is going higher, but let's see reaching to this because we can see that the price is closing above, so it's likely to close above and grabbing this liquidity. So once this liquidity grab and giving us some kind of rejections, then we also can do shorts afterwards. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to give your support so that we'll be continue doing our contents together and also giving you our live streaming sessions and live information. So let's see how does the price react from this point onwards. Okay, if the price do really rejections back, then we can speculations that the price is going higher. If the price do really break through this above, maybe showing some signs that the price is going back to rebalancing back, and then afterwards it's going on the rebalancing back. So right now it's a really important phase, and let's see how the price react. From a short period of time, the price has been rejections and has been going low $80 range. So I'm thinking that there's probably going a retrenchment sites maybe even much more. To be honest, the price has been grabbing this liquidity, so likely that the price is going back to a retrenchment, to be honest. Okay, so right now, let's see how the price react from this point onwards. So you can see the price has been keep on going higher and higher, grabbing liquidity and reaching through on this high. Okay, so let's see how the price react, and we'll be giving you guys signs on how to do trading. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be continue sharing you guys most important trading opportunities and trending sites and so on. So let's see how the price react from this. Usually the price do really have some reaction from here. So let's see. Okay. So we can see that the price is likely to reach through our area, zero, around 11 to 14. So let's see, because we see that this is actually what we call liquidity to this level, but likely to see some rejection around 11 to 14. So using a much more smaller time frame to see is there lower. But if the price, this is the area monthly level, back to a rebalancing phase. Yeah. But let's see how the price react. The price to this around $30. Okay. So that will be continuous. We have been shown is going lower. Uh, the monthly low, so you can. So usually the price might be forming some. The price do really close above today, maybe reaching back towards this efficiency. See how the price react from this. So 11 to 131 do really break through above, signs that the price will be rebalancing back. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow the tricks. Okay, so we have been teaching you guys on the market maker model that the price is usually will be reaching through to another liquidity. So right now we can see that the price has been reaching through the monthly liquidity area. Okay, once the price has been reaching through this monthly liquidity area, the price usually will be rebalancing back. So what we can see, the price will be rebalancing back and see how does price react. But I'm thinking that the price is showing some signs of going higher. Okay, why? Because the price has been reaching through this monthly low. Okay, so we are basically seeing some signs of the price is rebalancing back above. Okay, well, the price do really break through this area. So let's see the 11 to 14. Okay, 11 to 14. So it's around this area. So why do we say that this is the most important area? Because we have been showing you guys the volume profile. So showing you guys the volume profile, and we are likely not really likely that the price will be breaking through this volume. Okay, so you can see that the price has been reaching through this low, grabbing this liquidations. If the price do really break through this area, then we are likely to see the price to continue going higher and reaching through here. or maybe even higher through here. So let's see how the price react. So because why we are having this, because we already mentioned that the price is going through this liquidity to rebalancing phase. So we are giving you 1 4, okay, 1 1 to 1 4 this area, and we need to see some rejections. If the price didn't rejections and breaking through this volume area, then we are likely to see some kind of a really strong rebalancing back towards this area. Okay, so right now let's see how the price react from this point onwards. So you can see that the price has been showing you a really imbalanced area. Okay, so around 1 1 to 1 4, and see how the price react. It seems like the price is continue breaking through above and might be going back towards this rebalancing area. Okay, let's see. This is the daily range. Is it possible that the price will be reaching back to this area? So let's see the price still really reach back to this imbalance range, going back to, because this is a daily range, so probably the price might be rebalancing back. If that really happens, then we might be doing long positions, but let's see how it happens. We need to have confirmations. So crude oil is probably is going higher, as I already mentioned, in a short period of time. The gold market is likely to go higher as well. Okay, but let's see how the price react from here. Okay, 1 4 to 1 5. If the price do really rejection below, then we can see some kind of signs that the price is going lower. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and also follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, so remember to give us your supports. So follow, like, and subscribe, and follow. And if you want to have our signal group as well, you can go to our bio sessions and you can join our signal group. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We also giving you free educations, free overall free educations, free a lot of things, and so on. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe, and join our we'll be doing live streaming every day. So live streaming almost every day. So live streaming, okay, Monday to Friday. So this is our area. So if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and go through our 7 p.m. to 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. So if you do really like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, and we'll be doing live streaming from 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Hopefully, we do see you there. Okay. So right now we can see that the price has been, because this is the 1 hour range. So if we do need to see a rejections, we need to see a change of character. So if the price do really close below, then we can try to do shots. But I'm thinking that it's not really likely, to be honest. I'm thinking that the price might be going higher because, as we already mentioned, the price has been reaching through this monthly low. So probably the price will be retransferred back to the rebalancing to the previous efficiency. So this is what my thoughts about it. So, but let's see how the price react from this. Crude oil, we already mentioned that the price is going higher and reaching through this, and then after that will be going on the lower sides. And AUD we can try to do long positions, and other than that, we also give out the which of the pairings as well. Okay, so let's see on the gold market. Okay, so reaching through here, and let's see how the price react. This is our point of interest, the area. If the price do really close below and give us some signs of going lower, then we will be trying to do shots. If not, maybe the price will be going higher. So we need to have confirmations. So how do we do confirmations? Later on, I will be also giving you and teaching you guys. So remember, if you do really like our content, please like and subscribe. Okay, so like and subscribe, and do remember to join our signal group. So if you want more signals, you can go to our bio sessions as well. So signal, you can go to our bio signal group. Okay, signal group, you can go to our bio. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. 10 p.m. Singapore time. If you want to know more about it, you can go to our bio sessions. Okay, so right now the price, I think it's probably rejections. So this is what we need to look for. Okay, so going back, if the price do really rejects on the lower sides, then we can try to do short positions. But right away, we need to see a really strong downside momentum first. So let's see. Okay, so this is our point of interest. As I already mentioned, usually the price will be reacting from here. So because 1 hour time frame, we can't see any informations. So from this point onwards, we need to see some kind of a really strong change of character. So if the price do really break through, then we might can see to do a short positions. So right away, let's see. So let's see on the crude oil market. The crude oil market probably is going higher, but the gold market, we are likely to see some rejections from this point onwards. So let's see how the price react from the 5 minutes. Okay, this is not what we wanted to see because the overall it's much more on bullish momentum. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, we are giving you contents, free contents, and today I also teaching you guys how to use volume profile to see where is the volume, what is the story behind of it. To be honest, story is important because if you have a story, you have directions, you have a bias. Once you have a bias, then you know that which directions is going through. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and also you can join our signal group. You can go to our bio sessions. Okay, so remember to join and subscribe. So right away, we can see that the price has been rejections, but need to see some much more evidence. Dollar index. Let's see the dollar index. The crude oil markets. Yeah, probably is going higher to be honest. Crude oil reaching through this supporting area, so probably reaching through this higher. And the gold market will be also reaching through this high. And let's see how the price react. We need to see some info confirmation first. Right now, we can't say it much, but let's see how it turns out. Okay. So if the price do really give us a really strong impulse on the downside, then we can do shorts and probably the price will be going lower. If not, we might see some kind of going higher phase, maybe reaching through here or maybe even higher. So we need to have a confirmations. Right now, we are seeing some signs of the price is definitely more on the bullish statement, even though that the price do really react from this point onwards, but we need to have a confirmations. Okay, so let's go through the BTC USD. So BTC USD, you can see that the market is actually also reaching through here and going on the high sides and going on the rebalancing phase. So where does the price is going? Hmm. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. We are giving you free contents, free informations, and also free trading opportunities. So let's see. USD. Still see, seems like the dollar, it seems like is retrenchment. So the price has been reaching through this low, will be going back to rebalance. But I'm thinking that XAUUSD is much more likely to go higher. True, going back. Lots of price has been grabbing here. Yeah, AUD is most likely is going higher. So doing long on AUD is actually a good thing. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, so gold market is probably going rejections, but likely to see some going higher, to be honest. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking that the price is actually going higher, much more signs of going higher, but you can see that the price do really reacting from here. So let's see how it turns out. If the price do really reject, then we might be going lower, but the price has been rejections from this. So this is the daily range. If the price do really close above, yeah, I might be doing long positions tomorrow onwards. But let's see how the price react first. Okay, so let's see how does the reactions. Crude oil is probably reaching higher and reaching to this. As I already mentioned, there's a lot of supporting area and this is rebalancing. So this is what our thoughts about it. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment section below so that we'll be also happily to answer your questions. Okay, so remember, if you do have any questions, feel free to answer. Okay. Okay, so right away we can see that the crude oil is likely to go higher, and the gold market is. Let's see how does the gold market is reacting. Okay, hmm, the- this is the daily range. The daily range. If the price do really close the above from this point onwards, then we might need to see some signs of prices going higher. But okay, price is definitely showing some sign. The bullish momentum still intact, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so you can see that this is our point of interest, but we need to have much more confirmation, so on. Okay, so crude oil definitely reaching to this. Silver markets. Silver market is also the same. Yeah, the long, overall the positions is much more on the lower sides. So silver and gold is probably is going on the lower sides. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. So follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and join our signal group in the bio sections if you wanted to. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Hmm, hmm. Let's see, the price has been rejections from here. So we might see some kind of signs afterwards. So we need to see if the price do really close below, then we might see some kind of signs going lower. And crude oil price retracement. price has been reaching through this low. Going back to the rebalancing efficiency. Yeah. 5 minutes. Let's see how the price react. Boom, boom, boom. Rebalance. To see the price react from here. Change of character. The price change of character. Then we can see. Okay, the first point here. Auto block. Breaker block. And balance out. We might can try to do short positions and wait for the price to reaching through this low. Okay. Anyway, we already mentioned that the goal is probably is going lower. Okay. The goal is probably is going lower. But mixed informations. Okay, let me show you the volume profile. Okay, so the volume profile is showing us, oh shit, not 50 seconds, 50 minutes. Okay, so the volume profile is showing us that the price has been grabbing this liquidity, rebalancing back. But right now, the price do really show some kind of support. Right? The price has been changing, or means that it's likely to see the price is going higher. To be honest, let's see on the 1 minute, 1 hour. Okay, yep. Seems like there's a lot of volume around here. We might see some kind of signs that the price is going higher. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. So price has been reaching through this low. See. Hey, let's see how the price react from this. The price to close above, then we might see some sign of going higher. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time, and you can go to our Signal. If you want to know more about it, you can go to our Signal group and on the bio sections. Okay, so remember, if you're really interested, you can just join. Okay, so 5 minutes. See, we have another 50 minutes. If the price do really rejections above, then this might be a sign that the price is going high. To be honest, price rejections, rebalancing low, 5 minutes. So using 5, price might be rejection to this low. Yeah, let's see how the price react from the 1 hour time frame. Yep. Let's see how does the price react from this point onwards. Okay, if you still interested on our Signal 3, please go like and subscribe everyone. Okay, 50%. Let's see how the price react from this. Seems like the market is actually grabbing this liquidity and rebalancing down. So probably is reaching back to rebalancing out. I'm thinking that it's much more likely to go higher, to be honest. Price rebalancing down. So if the price do really go back, I'm thinking that we can actually aiming from this area and to this area, because as we already mentioned, the price has been reaching through this weekly low, the monthly low. So we are likely to see some kind of retracement going back. Let's see how the price react. Okay, thinking that this might be a really good time to do this level. So probably the price is reaching to this and 50%. Okay, so let's see from the 5 minute charts. Yeah, should be around this area. If the price give a high and low from this, so probably reaching to this area. Oh shit, reaching to this area. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be continue doing live streaming content with you guys and giving you tips and tricks on how to do trading and so on. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. So I need to go higher. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Next 5 minutes. Seems like the market is much more likely to go on the higher sides, but we need to see some rejections. So we need to see some kind of rejections, and we can probably aiming this high, putting our stop loss low, and aiming 100 pips or even much more higher. To be honest, thinking that the market might be rebalancing back to this area. Yeah. Seems like the market is much more bullish than bearish. Crude oil likely to go higher. So right now, AUD is much more on the gooder sides. So it's probably is doing long. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, we have been giving you tips and tricks. Follow, like, and subscribe, live streaming, and so on. Okay, so right now I'm thinking that the market is much more bullish. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday, and we'll be doing live streaming from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. If you do really like our content, please go to our signal. So right now, I already mentioned to you guys that we are likely to see some kind of bullish momentum. Okay, why? Because the price has been rejections from the monthly low. Oh shit, maybe use this one. This one. Okay, the price has been reaching through this monthly low, so we might see some kind of retrenchment back. So if the price later on today, I mean today, or the price do really close above, then we might see some kind of retrenchment back and reaching back towards this area. But yeah, let's see how it happens. But right now we have been giving you guys on the sites of where do we expecting on. I'm thinking that the market is probably is going higher because it's showing a much more bullish momentum. So we will be waiting this area. Okay, so where this is actually the 1 hour fair value gap. So if the price do really reach through, okay, if the price do really reach through and rejections above, then we might see some kind of bullish momentum. Then the price will be going higher. Okay, so right now we need to have price to reach through here. So overall, I'm thinking that the market is probably is going higher, as I already giving you the reasons behind of it. One, the price is reaching through this monthly low. So you can see that this is the monthly low. So most likely we can see some kind of retrenchment, and you can see that this is the daily liquidity area. So going back to the 1 hour area, we can see some kind of signs that the price is going back towards area. So we can see that, and we will be waiting for the price to reaching through. It seems like the market is much more leading to go higher than lower right now. So right here, this is the liquidity gap rebalancing down. So we are waiting from this area. Okay, so if the price do really reach through and rebalancing down, then we can try to do long positions and aiming much more higher. We can aim 10 pips. I mean, not sorry, not 10, 100 pips, or maybe even to 200 pips. So let's see how the price react from this point onwards. Okay. So if you do really like and enjoy our live streaming, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And if you do really enjoy it, you can also go to our bio sections. We have a signal group on our bio sections. You can just join it. We have been giving daily signals, maybe 3 to 5 signal per day, and our winning rate is quite high. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us like and subscribe. Okay, remember to like and subscribe and follow us. We have been giving you tips and tricks and so on. So right now we are waiting for the price to reach through this area. Okay, probably 10 p.m. afterwards. After 10 p.m. Okay, the ideally is after 10 p.m. Okay, so we need to see the price to continue closing this above. Then after that, reaching back, and let's see how it happens. Okay, so this is actually the area that we need to wait and see how does the price react. So if the price do really from here and rejections above, then we can see some kind of doing long positions and grabbing 120 pips or even much more higher, to be honest. Okay, so let's see how the price react from here. Crude oil, I already mentioned, is much more likely to go higher. Already giving you tips and tricks. So if you really like my trading method, okay, I'm using ICT SMC. So you can see that this is the full trading opportunities that I have really analyzing for you guys and giving you signals and trading opportunities. So if you do really like it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, I already mentioned it's much more leading to going higher, to be honest. So let's see. We need to. What's my expectations that I wanted to wait for the price to reach you and grabbing liquidations, and then afterwards I can try to do long. But let's see how the price react first. If the price give us an opportunity, we can try to do long, and we can probably aiming 10 or maybe even higher to 200 pips. I'm thinking that we can actually aim to 200 pips. It's likely to see some kind of rebalancing. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, rebalancing will be going back to the 4 hour rebalancing phase, maybe reaching through this, and then afterwards the price might be react. But right now it's much more leading to doing long positions. Okay, so let's see. So crude oil, I have been giving out a lot of signals. Okay, we have been giving out AUD We already mentioned that the price is going higher. Okay, already doing a top-down analysis. Crude oil is going lower, but right now we are waiting for retrenchment, and stock indexes probably is going higher. And apart from that, we also give what else? I think we have been giving out a lot, to be honest. Uh, Silver is also going lower and so on. But yeah, I'm thinking that the market is probably going higher from the gold market. So let's see how it turns out. Okay. So gold, yeah, more leaning to do long positions. Okay. So Today we have already teaching you guys the volume profile. So I have been teaching you guys volume profile. So you have been missing out. Okay, I have been teaching you guys how to use volume profile. So if you want to learn more about it, and or if you already missed these classes, you can just remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And I will be talking about it tomorrow or afterwards. And I already giving you how to use it, and also giving you how to use it example and use it on crude oil. And I already mentioned that crude oil is likely to go higher because using this volume profile. Okay, so you can say that volume profile is a really important indicator, not really indicator. I'm thinking that is really showing you guys what is the market is going. Okay, yeah, candlestick is showing you the directions, but the volume behind of it is actually giving you signs of what is buying and seller, and what is the institutions or maybe the bigger financial institutions or maybe the hedge funds are thinking about it, giving you guys a really good volume and see what is going on. Okay, but right now I'm thinking that the market is probably is likely to go higher and reaching to this, and likely to go on the higher sides. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this is what we got, 7 to 10. Signal group, you can go to our bio sessions, and I already giving you the directions. Seems like the market is much more leaning to go higher. But let's see how it turns out. Okay, I'm thinking that the market might be reaching to this, grabbing back, and we can try to do long. Okay, so it's going long. Maybe the dollar index is going weakening. Okay, we also giving you guys the dollar index on the higher time frame. Is it already giving you price is definitely going higher. So the price is reaching through the daily liquidity area. So might be retracement, but most likely that the price is going higher, to be honest. And I already giving you the bigger time frame of the gold market. Okay, so bigger time frame of the gold market. Okay, seems like the market is likely to go higher. Hey, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, everyone. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday till Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Signal can go to our bio sections. Okay. So we already mentioned that we are likely to see the prices going. I'm thinking that it's most likely it's going higher. So we can actually do long positions. So probably is signing going higher. Hmm. If the price do really rejections from here, then we can try to do long, to be honest. I'm thinking that we might be possible to do long positions afterwards, but need to see how the price react. It seems like the market is going higher. Crude oil, yep, going higher. Okay, so remember, do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, like, subscribe, and follow us. So follow, follow, follow. we have been teaching you guys how to do the teaching you guys on the what we call the volume profile today. But if you miss out, we also can teach out. But I'm thinking that the price is definitely going higher. So yeah, price rejections above. So maybe rejections from this point onwards, then we can try to do long positions. So let's see from here. Okay, so we need to see some kind of rejections. Boom, boom, boom. And we can try to do long positions. Yep. Okay, so we will be waiting for this area and see how it turns out. So let's see this area. Hey, remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday till Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. If you want more, you can go to our Signal group on the bio sections. Okay. Today we have been teaching you guys on how to use the volume profile. But if you miss out, you can just join it tomorrow onwards. So let's see. Thinking that the price is showing some signs of going lower first, grabbing this liquidations, and then the price might be reaching back towards upwards. Yeah, let's see how the price react. Crude oil, yeah, definitely going higher. AUD JPY is might be the one of my best pairing later on. Okay, AUD JPY we can try to do long positions, and Euro USD. Let's see. Euro USD is really bearish. Seems like the market is continue going on a bearish momentum. This month, the Euro USD has been reaching 300 pips. Okay, so let's see on the gold market. Gold market seems like it's reaching back toward upwards. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So right now I'm thinking that the price is grabbing here, liquidations, rejections, then we can try to do long positions afterwards. Okay, so let's see how the price react first. Thinking that the price might be going here and then close above, then we can try to do long positions and aiming to this area. There's a high chances that the price might be aiming to this area. So this is the accumulation manipulations. Maybe there's a chances that the price might be reaching back towards upwards. So let's see. We need to see some signs. If the signs is going strong, then we can try to do short positions afterwards. Okay. Hmm. Price seems like it's going back. So right here, rebalancing, boom, boom, boom. If there's rejections above, then we can see some long positions. So let's see how the price react. Maybe on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame to close. Let's see how the price react. 5 minutes. Likely to much more leaning to do long positions. Okay. Crude oil. Yep. As we already mentioned, the price is likely to go back and rebalancing back. So rebalancing to this area, and the price is likely to go on the lower sides. Okay. So price is reaching 2, and let's see how it turns out. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. And you can go to our bio if you want to join our Signal group. Seems like the market is probably reaching more higher next couple of days. Okay. So remember to like and subscribe and follow us. Seems like the market is going higher. Okay. So let's see how the price react. I need no movement. Seems like the market is rebalancing out. 1 hour time frame. Boom, boom, manipulation, displacement above, going back. 5 minute charts. The price is probably reaching back, then continue going above, or price continue going above. Okay, crude oil is likely to go higher and reaching through this area. Okay, the price didn't really move much. Reaching through and grabbing this low, 2000 pips. So we'll be waiting for the price to reach through and then rejections above, then we can try to do long positions. And aiming, not so sure today is it possible to go through here, but yeah, probably the price might be going a ranging area, and let's see how it happens. Okay, okay, reaching through and going on the lower sides. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time. And you want to join, you can join our signal group on the bio sections. Okay. So remember to join our signal group. So thank you for joining, and we'll be see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we'll be ending our live sessions. And remember, we will be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And remember to uh join our signal. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today, and we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Okay, thank you, and hope to see you guys tomorrow onwards. Okay.